Welcome to the virtual classes of learning. In this video, we will learn about the covalent bond. In the previous lecture, we had discussed about the ionic bond or ionic compounds. As ionic compounds are formed by the attraction between the oppositively charged ion, or there is strongest force of attraction between oppositively charged ion, and these molecules or compounds are generally exist in solid state due to their strong electrostatic force of attraction. In this video, we will learn about the covalent bond and the different types of the covalent bonds. Let us take an example of chlorine molecule. As we know that in chlorine atom there are 7 valence electrons, and these 7 electrons are represented by dot and cross, so that we can differentiate between two types of the chlorine atom. In this covalent bond, 2 electrons are present and each electron is shared by one chlorine atom, so that these 2 chlorine atoms have to complete their octet or their valence shell. In this covalent bond, 2 electrons are shared by both the atoms. So this bond is known as the covalent bond. Here co means by mutual sharing and valent means valence electron, and this bond is represented by the single line. Let us take another example of sugar molecule. In sugar molecule, all the bonds are covalent bond present between carbon, oxygen and hydrogen atom. In hydrogen molecule, hydrogen atom has to complete its duplet because it has one shell or first shell, and the capacity of first shell is 2 electrons, whereas other atoms have to complete their octet. Next example is ammonia molecule. In case of ammonia, there is 1 nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atom. Here nitrogen is the central atom which contains 5 electrons in its valence shell, whereas 3 hydrogen atoms are the surrounding atoms which have 1 valence electron. Each hydrogen atom needs 1 electron to complete its duplet, whereas nitrogen atom needs 3 electrons to complete its octet. Therefore, it shared 3 electrons with 3 hydrogen atoms to form 3 covalent bonds, so that each atom becomes stable by forming 3 covalent bonds. Here, in nitrogen atom, valence electrons are present in second shell, whereas in hydrogen atom, valence electrons are in first shell. So the molecular formula for the ammonia molecule is NH3, and it has one lone pair of the electron, which is also known as non-bonding electrons. The three-dimensional structure for ammonia is hard to display. Next is types of the substances which form covalent bond. There are two types of substances. First is simple molecular substances, just like in chlorine molecule or in ammonia molecule. There is strong covalent bonds are present, but when different molecules are combined together, they have weak intermolecular forces of attraction. That weak intermolecular forces are known as van der Waals forces of attraction, just like in methane molecule or in water molecule. Another type is larger structure. For larger structure, we take polymers. In polymers, different monomers are joined together to form long chain of the molecules. These long chains are joined together by covalent bond. Here, the covalent bond present between different molecules are the strongest force of attraction in comparison to simpler molecular substances, just like in diamond, graphite, etc. That's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.